Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to get access key and secret key in AWS. All right, first up, go ahead and go to your dashboard. Now click on the search function. Now type in IAM, all right, or IAM. Go ahead and click on it. Wait for it to load. Now once it loads, go ahead over to the left pane and click on users. Create a new user. Username, for example, dev user. All right, just hit on next. Next, create user. Now we have the user. Just click on the user itself. Now under permissions, click on add permissions. Click on add permission once more. Now let's select attach policy directly. The search function, type in S3, right? Now select S3 full access. Click on the tick box. Scroll down, hit on next. Add permissions. Now go to security credentials, scroll down, and here we have our access keys. Go ahead and click on create access key. The easiest one, select other. Next, give it a tag, for example, dev keys, create access key. And here we have our access key and the secret access key. All right. Go ahead and save it to a safe place. For example, let's create a notepad right here, access key. This one and the secret access key. Show, then copy, save it. Once done, just hit on the done button and you're good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.